Oh, no sound. Fuck. How about now? I don't know. I've never heard of that. Whoa. All right. Let's see. Sound just came back. Sorry about that. Yeah. I'm over here asking questions. You guys can't even hear unless you're on TikTok too. Good evening, everybody. What's up, George? What's up, Joe and Cindy? All right, we'll get rid of this here thing. Hope y'all had having a great weekend. Sorry, I was talking to 90% of you and you weren't even hearing me. Hi, what's up, Dr. Matt? Hope all is well with you. It's all as well as us. We're having a fantastic time. Me. What's up, Peter P? What's up, Baba? Thank you. Very, very proud of the patent. It's actually a trademark patent pending, actually. But I'm assuming because they gave us the trademark that they'll soon be giving us the patent too. Hopefully, Lord willing, and we're working very diligently to make sure that's it. All right. Exciting news for people in the Signal group. We are officially sending out an email this evening. The email is going to be only to the people who have paid for the Signal group. You know who you are, but this is whoever's in the Signal group. Listen, we are over, and I've been warning you for this period for the last 2 weeks minimum. Literally, we are switching over from email alert system to the Discord system. Do not email us asking about this. Do not email us asking about this. We will send you an email out by probably around 10 o'clock tonight. The email will say, we're switching over to the Discord alert system. We are no longer using emails to send alerts to you. So if you have the Signal service, tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 right here, once you receive your email from us about 10 o'clock this evening, maybe a little earlier, do not email us asking about that. We will be sending out an email saying join this new, and it's a totally new Discord server you'll need to join. You can only join it if you have the signals you're paying for them. And once you have the signals you're paying for, you'll be assigned to either tier 1 room signal, tier 2, or tier 3. That goes for only people who are paying for the signals. If you're not paying for the signals, you will not get an email. God, yes, I have to say that. That's embarrassing to have to say that. So everybody who is in the signals that are getting signals, you were getting signals through your emails, that is no longer the case. You will be getting signals only through the Discord, and that is because you can literally just join the Discord app, put it on your phone. Literally, the only thing that will come out of this signal area will be the Signal Discord will be signals from us to paying members. That's it. So whenever you get a signal, you will then immediately follow to your rules and get your charts and implement the rules. Okay, so I hope a few of you understand. What's up, Andrew? 7, even if you guys don't understand it, but 7 if you guys understand what I'm saying about the signals, 9 if you don't. You're going to get an email at 10 o'clock this evening if you have been paying for the signals. The signals are a perfect 9 for 9, by the way, 100%. And actually, they're 14 for 14 if you'd have followed the rules. You'd have entered in an additional 5 times. Thank you, guys. And that top responding. It's kind of weird. All right. So that's that. It's no big deal. It's just coming up, and it is a change. Now, the signals have literally been 100% since the start of the month, the first start of the month we started these. The signals have tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. You literally are getting a free upgrade. So this month, we might have 9, maybe 10 or 11 signals by the time we're done with the month this coming week. But this coming month after that, right? So in February, we plan on having the gold signals, the GBP, JPI, the US oil signals. They'll also be being implemented. Those will be implemented in the 15-minute 1 hour. Those signals are free to everybody in the groups. So the people who are paying for 1 through 5, tier 1, or 1 through 10, tier 2, are unlimited for tier 3. You'll be getting more and more signals. They will be just as accurate or better. You'll see a specific way of trading. And then, yeah. And then the following month in March, you'll be seeing also faster time frames added into the signals. Those will be free upgrades again for everybody. And then I'm thinking somewhere around 3 months, give or take a month or two, you'll be seeing the Holy Grail trade as a free 1 signal for tier 1, 1 signal for tier 2 a month, unlimited signals for tier 3. And the Holy Grail trade is a trade that is 99% accurate. I say 100, but I can't, I guess, probably legally say that. People get pissed. But it cannot miss. It will not miss. It is a trade that I've been working on my entire life. Everyone always fantasizes about it, but it's never been done, I don't believe. But it will be a trade that would be called for NAS 100 with near 100% accuracy. How does it differ than the current signals? I mean, obviously, the current signals are pretty damn fucking good. They're 100%, right? But with this NAS one, it just can't miss. I figured out a glitch in their system of how they do these stocks, and I figured out a way to use that to our advantage. So it'll be a relatively non-missing signal. And quite frankly, it's coded that it can't miss. So that's called the Holy Grail trade. That's also coming up to the people. So just, just like we have things grow in the scanner rooms, see if not doing so good to being the most advanced and complete and excellent expert scanner rooms ever. These signals, I have a feeling, will be the most accurate signals in the history of any trading platform, whether it's Forex stocks or anything. I don't see it missing. Especially when we get to the Holy Grail trade, it'll be impossible for them to miss. It'll be up to God. If God wants to work a miracle against it, it can miss. Other than that, it will not miss. Hard to think anything can be better. I haven't seen anything you've done miss. Well, we're working on it, Andrew. Is this accurate? Munir Week. Is this accurate? Is what accurate? The system? What's up, Munir? Good evening. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube, what is my daily win percentage? Not if I have never lost a trade, because I have, but have I ever lost a day? What is my daily win percentage? This gentleman's asking how accurate I am. I'd prefer not to speak up on my own behalf. I'd prefer you all to speak up for me. What is my daily win percentage? Anybody or everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube. Let's take a look and see what they tell us. Let's take a look in a book. Reading Rainbow, I can do anything. And let's see what the answers are. So is this accurate? You're about to see what the average Joe people that are watching my channel are saying, because I haven't even looked yet. Let's take a look. Is this accurate? Daily win rate for me. Antoinette Taylor, does this apply to all? Yeah, the system. You can anything you can chart, Antoinette, it works on. 100%. That is the correct answer, Bob Uten. Joe Dixon, 100%. I only seen 100%. 100%. 100%. That is correct. That doesn't mean I don't miss a trade. What's up, Joe Bigga? At least since I joined in July. 100%. Referring to, oh, yeah, we'll have them not on all major pairs. No, Holy Grail is only available for NAS. The Holy Grail will be only available for NAS. Peter P, 100%. Correct, Peter. Antoinette, correct. Guy Burger, 100%. What's up, Buffalo Bill? Nope, T Mark is wrong. He said 99.9%. My daily win rate is 100%. I do miss trades probably once, twice a week when I get hyper and I throw in extra trades, buys and sells. I lose track of which one's which. I'll lose those kind of trades, sure. What's up, Nadal? Thank you, Guy Burger. Thank you, Robert Williams. That answers your questions, Manir Wick. If my calls are accurate. On a daily basis, yeah, I've never had a losing daily basis ever. Not on a live. Going back, fuck, winning. Couldn't win a trade for 5.5 years. Yeah, so there's times where I was trading, I couldn't even win. A broke clock was right more often than I was right. That sounds silly, but true. Referring to the Holy Grail, I hope you answered your question. The Holy Grail trade is only going to be 100% accurate or near 100% accurate on NAS 100. That's what it'll be called out. It doesn't mean the other two indices that we trade, US 30, ACX, it won't work on. I'm just telling you the call will be for NAS 100. And if I have my way for it, the Holy Grail trade, when you get the email, well, let me rephrase that. When you get the Discord message saying it's a buy stop or a sell stop on the Holy Grail trade, only the Holy Grail trade, which isn't out yet, but coming up in the next 3 to 4 months, never take a month or two. When that trade is closed, you will just enter the trade. You won't be buy stop or sell stop. This is a buy, you put a buy in, sell, you sell. There'll be no more rules in that at this time, other than you have to take the trade immediately when it's called. So there'll be no more should I enter, do I enter, when do I enter, what, where, when, how, who, all the stuff you guys still struggle with, even though I'm telling you that, even though my signal service, I'll go to that in a second, has newly come out as 9 for 9. Only one trade had one symbol go the right direction. All other 8 trades, all other 3 symbols went the right direction, which is insanity. Not only you're getting a call for 9 times, you're actually getting it at times 3, which is 27 different call outs this month you've already had. Just saying. Oh, geez. At least you won't be early for Miss Chrissy. All right. 100%. Thank you. What's up, Raider Trader? All right. So I hope everybody understands about the signals. I won't go over that again. Again, for those of you just joining late, we are switching over from an email alert signals group to a Discord alert. You'll be getting an email. If you're not asking about it, you'll get the email. You don't miss it. That's pretty good. Good to see you back with us, Peter P. Dun, 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 dun. All right, before we get into using our trading view, I'm going to show you what this looks like. These are all the signals that have been called out recently, been tested and verified also, and back tested. 15-minute 1 hours, all they're good for. But they've been correct every damn time they've been called. The only one that hasn't been challenged was this red one where I put a white and a red right here. When this is called, this is a sell stop. Only US 30 went down over, I think it was 180 pips. And then SPX and NAS went up. That's the only one I have red next to it. It was still correct because all we need is one of the three symbols to be correct by 20 pips or more, and it's a correct trade, and it was almost 200. But every other call out, as you can clearly see, all three of them went up from here. That's the trade I'm in. Went up from here, went up from here, here. And yeah, it didn't stop. It went up from here, all three, and so on. So that's the, well, that's actually not even a call. This is the last two calls current right now. And that's it. So now I'm done with the signals. Does anybody have any questions over the signals? Da, 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 da. No. No. Da, 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 da. Okay. Nobody on TikTok has any questions? Nobody on YouTube have any questions? Sweet. Let's go call them. Now we're going to call out a whole symbols, 12 of them or more. I know some of you can't keep up. I understand that. This isn't made for you to play along to help you guys see and get some nice free signals you can make some money on. So here we go. U.S. and U.K. oil, 1 minute buy stop. U.S. and U.K. oil, 5 minute buy stop. U.S. and U.K. oil, and then hook up, but whatever. And eventually do the 15-minute buy stop. Sure, why not? 30 minutes, 1 hour, too far away. Yeah, it's going to dip. I think the 1 minute oils are going to unofficially go down to their blue line, but unofficially. Did we hit? Did we hit this? Oh, we did. As all out. Since this one and since this one, I believe this is the 4 hour. Look at this. UK and US oil came down, touched their yellow line, and came back up and touched their blue line, doing what we commonly refer to as pretty much, is not perfect ricochet, but close enough, a ricochet. Boom. And there it is, 4 hour. So done with that. I would really look for a unofficial 1 minute sell stop from US and UK oil to the blue lines. That's what I'd be looking at. All right. A little longer term, daily sell stop U.S. oil, daily buy stop U.S. oil. Daily to the blue line sell stop, by the way. Amazon, 1 minute. Sell stop. Amazon, 5 minute. Amazon, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Amazon, 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Amazon. XRP's in the house. What are we doing? A little XRP, a little engine that could. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, XRP. 5 minute. 15 minutes. 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop, XRP. 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop, 4 hour sell stop, XRP. To the blue line, sell. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Monthly buy stop, XRP. Now I actually really like that. Ethereum, 1 minute. The life of Ethereum. Let's see where it is compared, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are right away. Bitcoin does. Interesting. Ethereum. Oh, that is strong stuff. All right. 1 minute. I don't know why. I'm going to call it 1 minute buy stop. Ethereum to the blue line. Ethereum 15-minute sell stop. 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. Ethereum 1 hour buy stop. 30-minute 1 hour buy stop to the blue line. Life of Aquarius. Sorry. Ethereum, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Ethereum, let me see, 4 hour sell. Yeah, 4 hour stop to the blue line. Ethereum, daily buy stop. Ethereum, weekly sell stop. Ethereum, monthly buy stop. Ethereum, Bitcoin. We've been saying buy stop on Bitcoin since May of last year when it was 26,000. Bitcoin, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, 5-minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, 30-minute, 1 hour. Bitcoin, 4 hour. Bitcoin, 4-hour sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, daily buy stop. Bitcoin, weekly sell stop. Bitcoin, monthly buy stop. GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. GBP, JPY. 5-minute, nope, 15-minute. Forming a 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop. GBP, JPY. Yep. That's on call. USD, CHF is the opposite of EURUSD. Whatever I call for EURUSD will be the opposite. EURUSD. 1-minute sell stop. EURUSD. 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. EURUSD. 30-minute, 1-hour sell stop. EURUSD. 4-hour to the 4-hour, 1-hour, 4-hour sell stop to the 4-hour blue line. EURUSD. Daily buy stop. EURUSD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. Gold. Gold and them Nar Hills. Let's go. Let's get it. Gold. 1-minute buy stop to the blue line. Gold. 5-minute or 15-minute? 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. Gold. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. Gold. Daily buy stop. Weekly. It's going to drop, not official. It's on SPX. And let's see. SPX and NAS. And US 30. Oh, yeah. Let's hope US 30 is still above it. Yeah, US 30, 1-minute sell stop to the blue line and below. NAS sell stop. SPX sell stop. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? Happy Sunday to you too. I'll get into more detail in a second. We just called out over a dozen different symbols. Hopefully, you guys caught some of that free signal offerings that I did. If not, rewatch this video when I'm done. It won't be much longer. I hope you're all having that good Sunday. Watch some football, baby. I don't get into Dallas just sucking up and losing, so I'll look at it later. Now, and the only thing that we're going to go over right now is where is our rules? There we go. Okay. Let's go over here. These are the rules. They're constantly updated. You guys, matter of factly, this month in February rules. I haven't updated the rules in almost a year. The last rule update was 4/15 of 23. I should have the news updated for everybody by February this coming month, 2024. So it'll be a 10-month time since I've updated the rules. They're all virtually the same. I just made it easy for you guys to spot things. That's all. Okay. Safety trade signal trading group rules. We are no longer receiving emails, alerts. We have flipped over to the Discord. So the Discord will be the only way to get for your signals. Do not email us asking about it. You'll be receiving an email tonight at 10 p.m. So you will only receive alerts for your signals through Discord. Easy peasy. My God. Discord is kind of like whatever, but it's like a messenger, but user-friendly and correct. So Discord is actually better than Messenger. Way better, anyway, in my opinion. This is coming from a grumpy old guy who doesn't like anything new, but I do have Discord. So whenever we find one of these little reds or green arrows, we're going to send you out a signal through that if you're paying for your signals. How do we find that? Once you verify, so once you receive the signal right now, you must verify/trade. So this is how you trade. Not only is it a verification of the signal that we just alerted to you, this is exactly how you trade. I'll pause for a second here. Everyone should record this. This is how you use the system to its fullest, and this is how you trade the system. Step one. For instance, you receive a buy signal, for example. You go to the 1 hour charts, and what do you look for? You look for a blue line high, pink line low if it's a buy stop. Tells you, writes it out. The very first time this happens the best, I'll show you how that works. Then you make sure you can see the logo. And by logo, it tells you exactly what to do. And then I give you a training video on how to spot it. So let's see how long it takes us. It's about a whole 30 seconds maybe. So let's go over to here. Let's go over to Trading View and show you how gloriously easy it is to trade on Trading View. It is a joke on how to trade on Trading View. So let's zoom this in a little. Go over here. I don't like this. We're going to go back like that. We'll go back here. We'll go back here. Look at all this money we made. Holy shit. Okay, so let's go over here. And maybe it won't fuck up. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. There we are. All right. So the very first thing we need to do, pink line went from low to high, in this case for a buy. And the second thing we need is the pink line to drop down. Third thing we need to do is have blue line drop down with it. The fourth thing, there has to be a stop, which there will be right here. So first thing what we're doing right now is on hourly. Does this occur on 2 out of 3 that we trade? SPX is a yes. NAS is a yes. US 30 is a yes. So that's how long it takes you to look for this trade. This is an old one, but this is still a goodie. Just happened. Actually, this is the trades we're in, making all shit kinds of money. So all we have to do is look right here. 1 blue line high, 2 line low. Yep, on all 3. If that's the case on all 3, then this is exactly how you trade. You take that knowledge, you go on to the next step, which is there's only 2 steps. That's all there is. So the next one is do the exact thing you just did on the 15-minute. So now you'd have to have an opposite. Verify that there's a 15-minute low sniper blue line. No, if your example is a buy stop, that is incorrect. Oh, that's why he thought that. Fuck. He was completely wrong. Who was it? Or something? I should say somebody was trying to correct it. It's a type form means that it changes on all my type forms, and there's literally hundreds. Actually, I think there's about thousands of these out there right now. So everyone's going to update a type form when I change this, just the way it does it. Takes a minute, but it's so cool. It's amazing. It's so superior to any other way to make any kind of forms. Even with Google, doesn't matter. Nothing beats this. Typeform is amazing for what they do. All right, does anybody have any questions while we're waiting for this thing to load in? We do have an affiliate program. If you want to get out there and help sell the program, feel free while we're doing it. If you're doing great with the program, please remember to support them. I don't want to hear, oh, I love the system. I'm doing good. I can see the charts on my own. I don't need the scanner rooms. Well, that's a big fuck you, isn't it? What? No. If you're doing great with the system, then support the scanner rooms because it's just $50 fucking a month. Hello? Pisses me off when I get those emails. I'll rip into you for that too, so don't say that. All right, here it is. Da, 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 da. And now it's the opposite because you want a low one because we're going high, so the blue line has to go low. And flat at the bottom, that is correct. 2 out of 3, the first time it happens. And here's the retracement logo, and here's your buy stop. So let's go ahead and do the 15-minute part of this. Here we go. Now, these are of everything we just did. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It's right here. Let's show you. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Right here. Look how beautiful this is. This is it. Boom. So here we are. SPX. This is how an example buy stop would look. That's correct. Let's take a look. And see, this is where the signal service is superior. There isn't a buy stop right here, but there is on the signal service. That's why it was called. So on the 1 hour, we make sure the blue line's high, pink line's low. On the 15-minute, blue line's low. And then there's a buy stop. You can't see it because there's a fill in the gap, but there is a buy stop right here. Price went underneath its EMAs. It was perfect on our Bach break, non-Bach break. It was a non-Bach break. It came down, touched our little thing right here. Everything was perfect. This was a buy stop. And our signal service did call this out correctly. And to put that in perspective for you, let's see if NAS did it too. Here it is again, right here. This would not have been called by the normal safety trade system, but by our signal service, everything is perfection. Blue line up high, pink low on the 1 hour, retracement on our logo on the 1 hour. Blue line dipped against the high, with it 3, 4, buy stop right here. And I'm sure US 30 did the exact same thing. This is US 30. Now US 30 wasn't as good as a dip, but that's why we needed 2 out of 3, and the signal surf calls it when it does that. Would have been this one right here. Yep. And then how much did it go up? Too many to fucking count. I don't know. Let's take a look. From here to here. Ish, whatever. 244 pips. Is that right? Yeah, it's like it on US 30 alone. And it also did it on NAS, and it also did it on SPX. So that's how you read your charts. It literally takes you about a minute once you get comfortable with things to read through your 3 indices to see if there's a trade for you for that day. Good day, Jay Parker, by the way. All right. Anybody have any questions over any of that? Let's head on over to current and see what we look like currently. Okay, so 1 in fucking mess on US 30. No call for US 30. Neither of them are where they need to be. NAS currently sell stop, actually. That's beautiful. But let's see if there was 2 out of the 3 with that with SPX. No, not acceptable anyways. So if you wanted to do the sell, the only one I'd be looking for right now is NAS. It's the only one that qualifies, and it's still not even free. The problem is right down here. NAS is perfection, right? Absolutely perfection. You can see the blue line came up. Sell stop is in a force with a broken Bach. You could enter here and made your money and here and made your money and already out of the trade. But we didn't have formation on 2 out of the 3. So I don't like that at all. You could have taken that, but you sure as hell wouldn't have took a sell on US 30 yet. And you sure as hell wouldn't have took a sell on SPX yet. I hope you guys can see the difference between these trades. One is perfection NAS. That's why it wasn't called out for you guys as a sell either. It's only NAS right now. Can you guys see that? Yes or no? TikTok, YouTube. If anyone's new here, please speak up. If anyone's renewing, we have hundreds of renewals coming up. February and March and April, hundreds of renewals coming up. Those of you who would like to renew, you don't have to, but if you'd like to, just send a nicely worded email over the forex at gmail.com, the same email you've always been using, and then contact us, and you renew only on TradingView and for $575. And I don't care who you are. Those are the terms of renewal. If you don't want to do that, don't contact us. You knew when you bought in, that's how much it costs. Don't act like a dumbass right now saying you don't know that. Thank you, Tank Dog. You understand it? Thank you, Tank Dog and George. Hi. Okay, cool. We are senior store ambassadors for Stan. Stan is like Shopify. Stan Store, they've been nothing but great to us. We can't thank them enough. We make a shit ton of money through our system sales. We don't even pretend not to. We're proud of that. It means we're helping lots of folks. How do you learn the system? You have to unlearn all the time. Yet some guy emailed me the other week saying, well, you should tell us that you can't combine this with another system. My God, it's against the rules to combine this with another system. It's a standalone system. Period. Period, period, period. That's it. There is no other things to do with the system other than learn how I trade it. Okay? You should record your sessions. You actually learn your sessions faster if you record them. You can, tonight, instead of being an hour long, you can make it 5 minutes long. Review it, review it, review it. What did he say about the 15-minute, 1 hour sell stops? Stop it, pause it there, watch it for a minute or two or three. You can then go back and rewatch it again. You can condense your learning from a month to a week. You can do 6 weeks, 6 months of learning in 6 weeks. So it's that powerful to record your sessions every time. In order to master the program, you should teach it. Teach it to a few people. Fucking set of indicators, right? All you do is teach them the system. When you teach them, you're actually teaching yourself to master it. Whether or not you even know from your head from the holding around, whether or not you can even see this as a sell stop, whether or not anything like that is occurring, it doesn't matter. If you teach it, you'll learn it and you'll master it. Scanner room. I didn't even look at the 2 out of 3 room. Hold on a second. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. See right here? This is what you're going to see. 2 out of the 3 scanner room. I told you we're going to look for US 30, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Got it. There it is. That's why. You can clearly see the NASDAQ is 5 minute and SPX US 30 isn't. Let's see over here. What did I say? 1 minute sell stops towards the 5 minute blue lines. Well, let's 1 minute sell stops. There's your 1 minute, and there's your 5 minute blue line. The other two there yet? Nope. I would play any 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, the 5 minute blue line of US 30 and SPX. Again, it should reboot for us, but it's already 6 times going on the 7th. I'd be really leery of this, but it may very well reboot another 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. I think we're for sure going to be seeing these 5 minutes hit tonight, tomorrow, whatever, by 9:30 tomorrow morning, or even after. And then you might even get these 15 minutes pulled in soon enough. And then you'll see this reversal of the whole trend. Instead of everything turning green, which it will again, they'll all start turning red again. Red, 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 red. It's real pretty, actually. And then, of course, the actual scanner rooms themselves, coded by Keith Palmer, greatest coder in the history that I've ever known. An amazingly effective coder. He literally coded all these symbols over 100, up to over 100 actually. Indices, $50, you get to pick your 2 rooms. These are your indices. These are your Forex pairs. These are your cryptos. Stocks, of course, aren't open. Index top 10s. Forex top 10s. It's just an amazing engineering achievement. Okay. And that's that. I already talked to you ad nauseum about the signal rooms. The sniper is something I would never trade with again, without it again. It's $150 a month. It's the most amazing, accurate part of the system, and it's that blue-pink line business right here. Right here, that's an extra $150 a month. And again, I would literally sell my car to have this. I would take public transportation if I had to. And I'm not kidding you. That's how accurate this is. It'll get you in your trades ungodly accurate if you follow it. And here's a heads up. This is a little something you guys kill me with. Look, let's look at this. So yeah, blue line high, blah, blah, broken back. You never take a trade on a sell stop when it's down here already. You would take your sell stop trade when the pink line, and preferably above it. It looked like it didn't rise up over it this time. Above it like this is where you take your sell stop at. So I'm a little concerned. Some of you are entering trades on a sell when the pink line's down here. Yes, this is the blue arching up against it, right? But you need to have this. See, when this crossed right here, you can only make that little bit. Whereas when it crossed from up here, when it was, you can clearly see how much more you would have made. That doesn't look like much, but that is a fucking shit ton of money right here for now. So this is a lot of money on this cell right there. Or this one right here. Boom, down to there. That's that. That's a little golden nugget for you. All right, so that's our scanner room, sniper add-on, signal service. We're thinking about teaching it, unlearning. Went over the renewals with you. We do have a YouTube store. Talked to you briefly about that in the very, very beginning. All right. The part they don't understand the system works alone. I don't know, Tank Dog got me. Definitely standalone. Correct, Guy Burger. Thank you, D-Man. On a scale from 1 to 10, 1 saying I sucked, didn't do anything good tonight for you guys, to a 10 plus, 10, 100, 1,000, whatever you want to give me. If it's anything less than a 10, though, please put a reason. Otherwise, you will be discounted. So am I a 10 tonight or not? If I'm a 10, please let me know. This is your chance to grade me. Do I fucking care? Actually, I do. Make sure I'm giving you guys the best I can give you. That's all. I'm going to lose sleep over it? No, not at all. 1,000 Raiders. Thank you, Raider Trader. Thank you, Julius. Thank you, Guy Burger. Thank you, Peter. 5 staff fixtures. What's up, 5 staff fixtures? I don't see just. Taraya 10 million billion. Thanks, Jay Parker. Go Lions. Yeah, why not? Let's have the Lions win. I hope they do. What's up, Fifth Haven fixtures? No, my best friend, one of my best friends, Chris Smith, loves the Ravens. I kind of want the Ravens to win. I'm kind of sick of Kansas City always going. Millions of dollars worth. Thank you, Joe Vega. That's true. 10, 10, 10. What is the third indicator you have? Third indicator? That is the sniper add-on. It's a system. This is a sniper add-on. And no, we don't tell you what it is. No, I'm not going to tell you what the fucking settings are. If you want to buy it, buy the system. The safety trade. Which, by the way, let's start with it and end with it. Some people don't understand how important this is. Let's start with and end with. What are we going to start with and end with? Not the fact that I'm not. We're going to start with and end with. Where did it go? Oh, come on. Here it is. We're going to start with and end with the fact that this is the only no trading system that I'm aware of that is a patent pending but already approved, trademark approved trading system. You can read this over. As far as I'm aware, we're the only trading system that is trademarked approved by the federal government, the United States of America. This is our registration number for our trademark. This is the date they registered it. We're class 41, coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Listen to that. Coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. That's what the United States government gave to us. Nice. Please tell her hi from me. Okay. Just saying. Plus, there's a whole nother page of everything we're approved for. This and that, and coaching and not, and educational, and this and that, and online journals, and online this, and non-downloadable, providing downloadable, providing all this shit, doesn't websites, non-websites, everything on earth, over and over and over again they approved us for. So I would go ahead and tell everybody that with pride, that you're trading in a system that is recognized by the United States of America as being unique enough to get a trademark. Next up, Lord willing, will be a patent for our step-by-step system and how we use the system to make money for everybody out there, or we at least give you the opportunity to. Who's titled Taylor Swift? Antoinette. Only because you don't cover a lot of major pairs. Nope, that's not true, Antoinette. You're 100% completely wrong. And please don't cap and type of letters. And yes, if you ask me to look at a pair, I will. I always do when I'm not busy. Tonight I'm a little busy. I'm not going to. So if you think it's only worth a 9, Antoinette Taylor, you can leave. And I'm not being upset or mean about it, but trust me, everything you just learned is over a 10. I've given you a trading system that's over 95, 90%, 95, 99% accuracy in a $1 trillion a day business, and you paid $575. So I made you all trillionaires. I made you all billionaires. None of you believe that. Made you all millionaires. I know for a fact I've made millionaires. Jay Cochran and several others helped them make millions away. They just sold it themselves. I've at least made you 100,000 I have dozens and dozens and dozens of people. I mean, Heather bought her own Jeep with the winnings. Stevie posts his wins. Metal Mind posts his wins. So to say that the session tonight was a 9, I humbly but 100% disagree with you. You're fucking wrong. But, whatever. Sniper is secret sauce. It is Bob Uten, and the secret sauce, Bob, is going to be the holy grail trade when you guys will get absolutely 100% winning trades. Well, depending if you're in the tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3, that cannot miss. And those trades are coming. And you want the secret sauce, that's it. Because then you can just learn my system, make your money, and don't worry about anything. Fifth Avenue. Oh, how much is it? Sorry, I'm a little pissy poor when it comes. Hold on. The cost of the system is $575. You only can get it from here at this particular store. This is our store. You go to thesafetytrade.com, and that's where you go to buy it. And this is the link you'd use to buy it. I wouldn't get the one-on-ones. The groups nowadays are only like 12, 15, 20 people in the group. You can get the alerts there if you want, but this is where you go to buy the system. After you buy the system, trainings are tomorrow, every Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, small group, live, taught by me. You get a little form. The form in there, after you purchase it, will walk you through how to get ready. And then I train you Mondays at that 1 p.m. time in small group classes, and I do advanced training at 2:15. And that's every Monday. I've been doing this for over 2 years on TikTok and a year and a half on YouTube. Be nice. I enjoy what you have here. Antoinette Taylor, I am being nice. If you thought that was being mean, you haven't been around long enough. That's as nice as I'm going to be. I'm trying to open up your eyes to the fact that you're 100% completely wrong. That's all. I have not learned it as great as I would like to, but it is 100% amazing. Isn't it crazy? When I teach you guys in the small group classes, everything it does, holy shit, everybody puts up the mind blown emoji because it's just, I can only teach you so much here, but when we go in the class for like 45 minutes to an hour every Monday at 1 p.m. for all the newbies, right? And even 2 p.m., 2:15 for all the people afterwards, it's amazing. It's just so much more than I can teach here, that's all. Thank you, Bob Uten. And that's how you get it Fifth Avenue. It's $575 for the year, just for the base. There's some add-ons if you want to get them. I would recommend strongly getting the Sniper add-on for $150 a month, but whatever. People can do whatever they want. Yeah, there's 400 videos that I have available for you guys, and there's over 1,000 videos in my YouTube library. 1,000 videos. Fifth have fixtures. Any other questions you might have? Anybody have any other questions? If not, we're going to call it a night. We're going to thank everyone for being here. Don't forget, I made those call outs earlier for those dozens of pairs, which evidently isn't enough for some greedy ass motherfucking ungrateful people. I'm going to go ahead and close my TikTok so that I can talk freely. And let's end that for there. So now I'm going to be off of TikTok, and now I can talk freely. Thanks, Bob. You too. Thanks, Joe and Cindy. You too. Everybody on YouTube, have a great evening. And again, if you don't think that my training is good enough for you, please don't be on here. Just fucking leave, okay? I'm here to help those who are grateful to be helped. If you're not grateful, just fucking leave. I'm not going to mention any names this time. All right. God bless y'all. Have a great evening. See you in the morning, Lord willing. Have a good night. Bye.